All right, guys, we're cooking again today. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, hello, you're new, you don't know me. My name's Alex. But if you're a part of the Fearless Tribe, welcome back. You probably have seen me do this about maybe a month ago. I did my first ever cooking video here on my channel and I loved it so much. We're gonna do another one today, working again with HelloFresh. Guys, I love HelloFresh so much, so much. Your girl can't cook, but with HelloFresh I can cook. So today we're gonna be doing another meal from HelloFresh. I just got in the 3-meal pack, so we're gonna cook one of them today. If you already know about this, cool, but if you don't, let me just explain quickly what HelloFresh is. You probably know. So HelloFresh delivers fresh ingredients to make meals at home. They have vegetarian or classic boxes. So they deliver right to your house. They come in this big box with ice, so if you're at work or something, you don't have to worry, it's good for the day. The wind is tremendous today. So one thing I really love about this is you don't waste any food. Since I'm not a natural chef, I never know how much to use and I never want food to go to waste. So it delivers the exact amount of everything that you need. So nothing goes to waste. Step-by-step instructions. There are pictures. It makes, I'm making myself sound really incapable. But I'm just not good at cooking. So it's really exciting for me to be able to do this and actually cook well. And I never know how to try new things. So to try these cool new dishes is always super fun. And I feel like I'm expanding my repertoire. And depending on how many meals you want to get, you can do 3, 4, or 5 meals. There are options. And within those meals, it can be for 2 or 4 people. So you have options too. Even if you're just cooking by yourself, the 2 is pretty perfect because then you have a meal for the next day, and I love leftovers. And HelloFresh gave you guys a coupon code. So for $35 off your first week of deliveries from HelloFresh, head on over to HelloFresh.com and enter the code FEARLESS. Okay, I've been talking too long. I'm ready to cook. Let's make some dinner. All right, guys, so these were our 3 options for tonight. We had sweet and smoky pork chops, butter basted sirloin steak, or tater topped pot pie. So we're gonna do one tonight. I'll do another one another day, but I was really feeling this for some reason, the sweet and smoky pork chops, and I love sweet potato. So it comes with sweet potato wedges and a Brussels sprout hash, which sounds so good. So these are the instructions. They're super, super easy. So here it has our ingredients listed. So it comes with sweet potato, Granny Smith apple, blackening spice, dried cranberries, Brussels sprouts, lemon, and pork chops. And I actually just recently started liking Brussels sprouts, so I was really excited about this. So it says in the corner here, the prep time is 10 minutes, total of 35 minutes, and there's 630 calories. And then we just flip it over to this other side here, and it will have our step-by-step directions, which I love. So has our ingredients here. It has things we need to bust out: a baking sheet, a peeler, zester, a shallow dish, a large pan. Why are you not focused? Hello? Some olive oil and sugar. So the step 1 here, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna have to cut up the potato, put it on the baking sheet with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 20-25 minutes. Yes, let's turn the oven on. The rest of our ingredients come in these cute little boxes. They have one for each of your meals, and then the meat comes separately. So we have our pork chops here. Let's go ahead and see what's in the mystery box. It's like on MasterChef. So it has everything in here that was told to us on that sheet of paper. So we have the Brussels sprouts, a Granny Smith apple, a lemon, and trust me, I have cooked a lot of their meals. They're always super fresh. We have blackening spice, the sweet potato, and some cranberries. Yum! So now that my sweet potato is nice and washed, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what the directions said. We're gonna cut it in half and then into 1/2-inch thick wedges. our next step here says to prep veggies and make the rub. Trim the Brussels sprouts, then have them lengthwise, thinly sliced into shreds. I've never done that before. It's going to be a learning curve. Peel, core, and dice the apple. Zest half lemon in a shallow dish, and then combine with the blackening spice and a tablespoon of sugar. Let's do it. Now that my oven is preheated, I just threw those in, and we're gonna go ahead and set our timer for 25 minutes. Boop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that aside. I'm so sorry, the stove is so loud. So now we have to season the pork all over with salt and pepper. Place in a dish with the rub. So now in a shallow bowl, I just added in the blackening spice, and we have to add a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm just gonna mix those two together in this bowl. And our next step here says to, sorry about the stove, season the pork all over with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl with the blackening spice and sugar and rub it all over. We may have some rub left over. And then we're gonna heat olive oil in a large pan, and then we're gonna put the pork in the pan. So the pork chops are now in the pan. So like it says here, 3 to 4 minutes per side, so I'm keeping my eye on that. Then we're gonna remove from the pan and set aside to rest for 5 minutes. This is so messy already. So we're going to cook the Brussels sprouts while this is resting. So I'm just gonna finish this up, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So I just pulled the pork chops off to rest, so we have to let them rest for 5 minutes. So now it says to cook the Brussels sprouts while the pork rests. Put a little bit of olive oil in the same pan over medium heat. We're going to add the Brussels sprout apple mixture. Cook until the Brussels sprouts are browned and the apples are tender, 5 to 6 minutes. Tossing occasionally, stir in the dried cranberries with a pinch of lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon juice to taste. Yum. And then add salt and pepper. Okay, so, oh my God, I need a new stove. So we're gonna add a little bit more olive oil. It says to kind of keep the same pan. I'm gonna add in our mixture. All right, so our sweet potato timer just went off. So let's take these bad boys out. So this has been going on for the 5 to 6 minutes that was requested. So now we're supposed to stir in the cranberries, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Cranberries. And now I washed my other half of my lemon. I'm just gonna add some zest, which I really hope I'm doing right. My hopes are low. I want to get that off. I feel like so professional, like zesting a lemon. And then, okay, a pinch of lemon juice. Right, and then we just have to add salt and pepper. Pepper. So that's all set. It said till the apples are soft. It feels soft. So we have our hash all set. I'm going to set that aside. We have let our pork chops rest, and I think we can now compile our meals. It even tells you how to dish it. Thinly slice the pork, divide the pork, and like spread them out. Let me see if I can get that presentation down. All right, so I can never really get mine as pretty, but it tastes really good. I just took a few bites Oh my gosh, yummy. Literally, the sweet potatoes are heaven, and that rub on the pork chops are amazing. And since I'm a newfound Brussels sprout fan, they're actually really good. So yes, I'm about to chow down. These pork chops are literally heaven. Okay, so I hope you had fun watching this video. I had so much fun cooking. Don't forget, if you want to get $35 off that first week from HelloFresh when you subscribe, go over to HelloFresh.com, enter the promo code FEARLESS. Hook it up, girl. Enjoy. All my chefs out there, all my non-chefs out there. We cooking. We all cooking. If you've tried HelloFresh, comment down below. Let me know how you like it, what meal's your favorite to cook. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had just so much fun. If you want me to do more cooking videos, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.